This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to bleed an Audi A3 clutch. First, gather your tools, including a 9mm wrench, fresh DOT4 brake fluid, a clear hose, and a collection bottle. Next, ensure your car is safely elevated and stable on jack stands. You'll need to locate the clutch master cylinder, usually near the brake fluid reservoir, and the slave cylinder, typically on the transmission housing. Proper preparation makes the bleeding process much smoother. Now, let's start with the master cylinder. Begin by filling the brake fluid reservoir to its maximum mark with fresh DOT4 fluid. Attach one end of your clear bleeder hose to the master cylinder's bleed screw and place the other end into a container with some fresh fluid. Have an assistant slowly press the clutch pedal down several times, then hold it firmly to the floor. This action helps push air through the system. Moving to the slave cylinder, attach your clear bleeder hose to its bleed valve, ensuring the other end is submerged in a collection container. With your assistant holding the clutch pedal down, carefully open the slave cylinder's bleed valve. You'll see fluid and air bubbles exit. Close the valve completely before your assistant releases the pedal. This sequence prevents air from being drawn back into the system. Repeat this step several times. Keep repeating the bleeding process for the slave cylinder until you see a steady stream of fluid with no air bubbles in the clear hose. Remember to consistently monitor and top off the brake fluid reservoir to prevent it from running dry. Once complete, tighten all bleed screws, remove your tools, and carefully lower the vehicle. Finally, test the clutch pedal for a firm, consistent feel and ensure proper clutch engagement before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.